Hello everyone, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanchipuram silks. This is Rajni. Let us start our episode with the beautiful contemporary designs, starting with this royal blue and maroon border, self-embossed weaving on the body and has got turning borders in copper zari with rich grand pallu, priced 14,500. Next is a very attractive color combination, purple and red, half and half style with very unique design in the red border and stripes zari pattern on the purple. This saree is priced 13,500. Next comes timeless color combination in Kanchipuram sarees with parrot green and magenta. Very rich golden zari weaving all over the body in the brocade pattern. Unique design in the borders. This is the blouse piece in magenta. Let me show you the body here. And we have the open peak with the pallu too. This grandeur Kanchipuram saree is priced 14,500. Next comes a magnetic color combination in Kanchipuram saree with dark maroon and bottle green. A very classy and stunning masterpiece. Beautiful paisleys all over the body and intricate weaving in the pallu and borders. Here is the body and the pallu. Very elegant and attractive color combination in dark shades. This pretty saree is priced 10,990. Now let us see some beautiful borderless Kanchipuram sarees in intricate buttas, starting with this baby pink and coffee brown and light green with royal blue, purple with dark pink and royal blue with dark pink shade. Each of these sarees is priced 10,500. Next is a very beautiful deer motifs in coffee brown backdrop with contrast baby pink pallu and blouse piece, priced 11,200. Next we have a pretty pastel shade of green, light green, ice cream shade green, we say pista green, with rich silver zari weaving all over the saree. This is the blouse piece and here is the big border in the bottom part. The body has got checks pattern with a slight pink in the cross patterns on the checks. I will show you a close picture of the intricate weaving with the pink as well as silver zari. Here you go. And all over the saree is woven with silver zari. This is the blouse piece. This saree is priced 14,900. Next comes a very unique color combination, copper zari woven bottle green saree. The whole saree comes in single color bottle green with the intricate rich copper zari as you can see in this pallu and the border, priced 13,500. Next is pure milk white Kanchipuram saree in silver zari combination. We have a video for you for this saree. This is the pallu, blouse piece, and we have paisleys on the body. The whole saree has got only silver zari weaving in buttas as well as the traditional borders. I will also show you the close pictures of the motifs. This saree is priced 10,990. Here are the close view of the paisleys woven butta and the border. Very elegant white Kanjivaram saree. Next is a borderless saree in very attractive bright color combination of violet and light green. It has got small minute booties in golden as well as silver zari on the body, contrast blouse piece in green, and here is the pallu. This pretty saree is priced 10,990. Next we have few half and half style silver zari woven Kanjivarams, starting with this light sky blue with Vanasingaram pattern woven richly in the bottom part of the saree, accompanied with contrast blouse piece in violet, priced 13,700. Another color and a different design pattern woven in silver zari, same half and half style, with contrast pallu and blouse piece this time in violet, priced 13,700. Next is a very showstopper stunning Kanjivaram in maroon, very grand and richly woven golden zari all over the saree, complemented with contrast blouse piece in green. This is the body of the saree. You can see very different patterns woven symmetrically from top to bottom. Priced 15,900. Let me show you the pictures of this saree. And here is the open view with blouse piece. Priced 15,900. Next is a light green and royal blue combination Kanjivaram, brocade woven golden zari on the body, and very unique peacocks and floral creepers comes in the borders. This is the blouse piece in royal blue. Both sides same border, medium sized, priced 13,900. This is the open picture. Next comes Nakshatra booties, traditional dual shade orangish pink Kanjivaram, minute booties all over the body. That is the pallu, blouse piece in the body. Lovely body and the border pattern with stripes in it. Very unique design in the border. This saree is priced 12,990. Next comes a very rare color combination in brown and silver zari with the blue selvage on either sides of the saree below the border. New design pattern just came out of the loom. Here is the blouse piece. Rich silver zari, jacquard weaving, brocade pattern on the body, and also comes with Annam's pattern. This is the pallu and open pic. The last saree in today's episode is this elegant violet Kanjivaram with orange in the borders, Rettapettu style, with small Annams and elephant motifs comes on the body. Priced 11,900. In order to book your favorite saree, please do not forget to send us the screenshot along with the price. To save time to book your saree, to WhatsApp number 70108 30303. See you all in our next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.